In this video, I will show you how to return Shein items. Shein gladly accepts returns within 15 days of receipt for most items, as long as they are in new condition. Shipping is free on your first return for any order. However, for any additional returns from the same order, a 100 PHP fee will be deducted from your refund for each return. If you choose self-sending to return your parcel, you're responsible for the return shipping costs. If you choose Parcel Shop to return your parcel, follow these steps. Returning via Parcel Shop, sign in to your Shein account. Find the order in My Orders and click the Return Item button. Select the item or items you want to return. Indicate the reason and submit. Once your request is processed, you will receive a return number. Follow the return list guidelines provided. Pack the items and drop off the package at any collection point you find from the Find a Store option. Inform the staff of the return number, and they will print the return label and attach it to the parcel. Sign in to your Shein account. Find the order in My Orders and click the Return Item button. Select the items you want to return. Indicate the reason and submit. Choose the return method and refund method. Pack the items with the original packaging and choose your own logistics company at your cost to mail the package. Make sure to follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth return process with Shein. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.